Hi, my name is Carlin and welcome back to Carlin for You. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make an asymmetric dress from a stretch knit fabric. This elegant and comfortable blouse looks as stunning with a pair of heels as it does with flats. You can wear it as a blouse with pants, jeans or tights, or it can be your stunning dress. It is a multifunctional piece and it can be made as a dress, tunic or blouse with long or short sleeve according to your needs and style. You can always make a short sleeve dress and add long sleeves with a fastening system such as a press stud buttons. For this project I use a gorgeous and glittery stretch knit fabric with metallic thread spreading along, giving a glittering appearance. It has a quite fluid drape and is best suited as a style for a night out in the town. For a casual version of this dress, you can use any stretch material, either jersey or knit, depending on what season you choose to make the clothing for. Place your pattern pieces onto your fabric and cut them out. Cut each component parts with a 5 mm seam allowance. For the tunic version, add 2 cm seam allowance to the sleeves hem and the bottom hem. At the neckline, keep only 5 mm seam allowance. If you wish to make the dress version, you will have to consider adding the skirt. Before starting the sewing process, it is important to press the hems around the neckline, the sleeves and the bottom of the dress in order to have a neat finish and a clear guide during the overlocking. I have opted for an invisible stitch since my dress is elegant and I didn't want any apparent stitch. Start by assembling the dress front to the back and stitch along the shoulders and the sides. If you choose to make a short sleeve tunic, the only thing left to do is the hem around the neckline, sleeves and the bottom. If you wish to add long sleeves and a skirt, continue by stitching these parts. Gather the top of the sleeves with the tunic sleeves line and pin them to make the stitching process easier. I have chosen to make this dress with detachable sleeves and use fastener buttons to add them to my dress. Now it's time to attach the skirt to the tunic. To prevent the skirt from slipping from your hips, it is a good idea to secure it with elastic. You have also the option to make a tunic and a skirt separately, so that you can wear them together and create the illusion of a dress. The elastic on the skirt will keep the tunic underneath in place. Enjoyed this video, then I would love it if you could give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more fashion and sewing related videos. Have a lovely day and thanks for watching.